So Google is constantly watching you. And guess what? It's not a glitch. It's completely by design. They logged 24,000 interactions for just one user in a single month. That's 800 daily. Why the massive tracking? Well, Google's actually an ad machine. 70% of their revenue is literally ads. Whenever Google offers you personalization, they really just mean, hey, we're watching everything you do for ads. To fight back right now, always stay signed out, use a VPN, or totally switch search engines. Think Chrome is safe? It actually records your keystrokes in real time, literally before you even hit enter. They track you absolutely everywhere, even on non-Google sites, using sneaky tools like analytics and reCAPTCHA. Okay, lock it down. Block automatic Chrome sign-ins, kill those search suggestions, and turn on Do Not Track.
Meanwhile, YouTube builds incredibly creepy, granular profiles on you. Think Florida dads over 30 who love baseball.
Here's the kicker. Google doesn't exactly sell your data. They hoard it, then sell targeted access to you.
Starve this profile by using YouTube while signed out. Your feed will be less personalized, but much safer.
If the story ended there, fine. But Google actually has two massive secret backdoors we gotta discuss.
Backdoor number 1. Government agencies can totally bypass judges to legally snatch up your personal Gmail metadata. Blind those trackers right now. Stop external images from loading automatically, and disable Gmail's invasive smart features.
It gets wilder. They track your location even with history paused, recently causing a $400 million settlement.
Backdoor 2. Invisible ad auctions on your screen constantly broadcast your exact GPS coordinates straight to data brokers. Shut this major leak down. Pause your Maps timeline and revoke location permissions for all your Google apps. Now for the endgame. Google dumps all these separate data streams into one massive AI brain called Gemini. They claim they don't read private emails, but openly admit to using your behavioral inferences for AI training. So basically, you're the product twice. First for those targeted ads, and second as raw AI training data. You can't escape completely, sure, but tweaking these settings starves their giant surveillance tank of your personal life. Google built the internet we rely on, but wired it to watch us. Is this what we actually want?